You're still watching Indonesia Highlights. Rains that fell over Palu, Central Sulawesi early on Wednesday forced local election organizers to move a polling station in Lere village to drier area.
The polling station was moved to the grounds of the Al-Maidah Mosque after the committee notified police that the Palu City General Election Supervisory Committee Panwaslu. The tent that had been prepared for the polling station collapsed after hard rain and strong winds hit the area. Residents immediately worked to repair the polling station, but its head, Ruman Arif, decided to move it to a safer place. Ruman said the move was already reported to the Panwaslu and the police. Residents did not object to the move as the station's new location is nearby.
Memang pada jam 3 tadi malam karena dengan hujan sehingga TPS kita itu memang runtuh seperti yang kita lihat tadi di sana di lapangan. Nah, sehingga kami bisa pindah di teras Masjid Al-Maidah.
Ini sudah dilaporkan ke Panwas ya?
Iya, sudah. Saya sudah lapor juga dengan petugas kepolisian dan Panwaslu. Dibilang silakan saja di mana tempat yang bisa.